Hey guys, so this is a new update. I mean, I should say upgrade. So I'm actually get my chance to buy the new graphics card, and it's actually pretty better than my old graphics card that I'm using my computer. So I bought this one. This is ASUS STRIX GTX1060, and it's actually the I think it's DC2O6G. So it's a direct cooler 2 version. So you can see this is what it looks like. Yeah. So yeah, I tried to compare of what card did I choose, because last time I'm going to buy that card, there's one fan or two fans or three, and oh my god, I don't know. And I'm thinking about all this time, for a long time, and even asked the forum which one that was better, and averagely everybody said it was two fans. It was, yeah, because two fans is enough, and of course if I choose to buy three fans, my case is not enough, because my case is too small for it. So I decided to choose the two fans, which is this one. So yeah, the dollars is now rising, and when I make my decision in January, the stock was already empty. Like, anybody already buy it. Originally I think it's 5.9 or maybe 5.6 million rupiah, and today, because I buy today, it's became 6.6 million. Man, that was really expensive. Okay, so not only did I bought this, but the technician said my power supply is not powerful enough, because my power supply is 350 watt, and then I bought this new power supply. This is Corsair PS550. So yeah, Corsair is very popular for gaming accessories like keyboards, anything, including hardware. So I personally like Corsair better. So yeah, as you can see now, my computer is now running with the GTX 1060. As you can see, there's a white light there. Yeah, that's actually my graphics card. It was lighting up. I don't know why it happened, but yeah. Well, things gotten better right now, and last time today I wanted to test it out and make sure this works. However, all of a sudden in 2 hours, I just updating my games and then downloading the joy of creation, and all of a sudden when I actually browsing, blue screen. Yeah, I don't know why the blue screen happened. I thought, yeah, the technician said it was the graphics card. Oh no, I mean, operating system is not compatible with this GPU, and yeah, no, that actually scared me, because I am not backing up all of this fully. I'm still thinking about it, and still, oh my god, am I have to format my whole Windows? Am I have to use Windows 10? Which is what I've been using now. Yeah, I've been telling you that I have a new laptop too. This is ASUS ROG GL553VD. So I'm really needing this for my college test, and because yeah, the specs is kind of good, is very good, and yeah, I'm using that laptop for college tasks now. Also, okay, so about this computer now. So because of that, I called the technician. What's going on? Oh god, what's going on? Why this happened? He just said it might be a software corrupt. But their software files might be corrupted. Like, what? Steam never corrupted. I don't know. Steam rarely does that. I mean, all this time it never done that. Like, I don't know why that happened. So I don't know why that has blue screen. He also said that to test it out, make sure if there's a blue screen again, okay, that means there really is a problem after upgrading that GPU. I even asked my brother about it, and my brother said it was not doing anything from the operating system, and he then said it may be your motherboard. So I'm actually using Gigabyte motherboard, and it's GAH81M DS2. I think that's the name. So I do run the compatibility check in here. So I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. See, okay, so I checked these. I actually put this graphics card here, and I also done a compatibility check with Gigabyte, my current motherboard that I'm using, and my operating system, and voila, no compatibility check is good, no issues. So yeah, I even asked the forum I even asked the Steam community on what's going on. I even tell them my specs, and then it says, yeah, it has nothing to do with Windows or motherboard compatibility. Both are fine for this card. So I genuinely say, okay, maybe it's not because of the card upgrade. I think the card is compatible for this. I don't know. So I still don't know why it has blue screen. That still remains a mystery right now. But I'm even testing this computer and from 5 p.m. into 8 p.m. and so far there's no blue screen. So that's strange. Like, whoa, what's going on? Why it has blue screen? This is normal. So yeah, I wanted to upgrade my graphics card because I just wanted to make a fast gaming video, because my gaming videos that I've been making, it's pretty lag and it's making things slower. So yeah, I wanted to keep my promise that if I'm going to upgrade my graphics card, I'll eventually continuing playing all my games. So I have unfinished games that I ain't not been playing for a long time. So as you can see here, this is all games I have. So yeah, last time I did is Inside, and then but it's not finished yet. Case Animatronics, I even made that video, but I think I didn't upload that yet on YouTube. I have rendered 2 parts, or maybe if I have the time, I will do it. Now, Stories Untold. I done three chapters. The 4th is not yet, so I'm not playing the final chapter yet. So yeah, okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen next. I mean, I don't know if there's gonna be blue screen, but hopefully there's no blue screen at all. But if there is, I have to bring this computer back into the technician, and then I ask him what's going on. Or maybe I have no choice but to format my Windows, and using Windows 10. So I'm pretty confused of what's going on. I don't know why there's a blue screen in the first place. So yeah, I will stay tuned for gaming videos right away. So make sure you subscribe for more gaming videos. And I'm probably not going to play this right now because I'm still shocked. Yeah, I need to adapt this. I need to adapt with my new upgrade. I'm still shocked with what's happening today. So that eventually takes time. But if there is no problems, no issues whatsoever, I will probably really going to continue playing my games. So yeah, that's all for this video. So by the way, make sure to subscribe for more videos, and hopefully that I will get used to this. So I will probably going to upload the gaming videos later on. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say to you guys. So thank you.